At aside from that, as you can see, ito yung reference natin. Kailan pa natin mag-set ng dalawang load combinations para sa temperature and one para sa soil, sa H, set as H. So horizontal pressure siya. Commonly kasi minomodel natin or yung substructure, para hindi na siya mag-model yung substructure, minomodel na natin yung wall, yung retaining wall. So as you can see, yung temperature and the pressure H should be others yung type. Then click lang natin yung X, then yung pabalik naman na arrow. As you can see, nandito na yung na-edit natin. Then click natin apply to model. So kapag walang error, walang maglalabas na interface dyan. So ibig sabihin okay siya. So kung may error niya, ibig sabihin kailangan mo ulitin. Okay? So check natin yung load patterns. As you can see, nandiyan na sila lahat.